Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be making 3 1-minute mug cake recipes. All of these recipes are gluten-free and dairy-free, and 2 of them are also vegan. These are a perfect dessert to make after dinner when you crave something sweet because they are super easy and quick to make. The flavors we'll make are chocolate, blueberry pie, and peanut butter chocolate chip. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because I upload new recipe videos every week. Now, let's make those mug cakes.
We're going to start by making the chocolate brownie flavor. First, we need half mashed banana, half a tablespoon of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter or almond butter, 1 tablespoon of gluten-free flour mix, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cacao powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 tablespoons of almond milk. Then we just stir until combined. Then we'll spoon the batter into a mug or a small ramekin and add 1 piece of dark chocolate on top. I used 80% dark chocolate in this. Then we're going to cook it in the microwave for 50 to 60 seconds. All microwaves are different, so the cook time might differ. I recommend checking the brownie after 50 seconds and then cooking for a few seconds more if needed. You can serve this mug brownie with some strawberries, for example. This microwave brownie is super chocolatey, ooey gooey, and delicious. The next flavor we'll make is peanut butter chocolate chip. We need 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of gluten-free flour mix, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of almond milk. Then we just stir to combine. Lastly, we'll fold in 1 tablespoon of dark chocolate chips. Then we'll spoon the batter into a mug and add 1 more tablespoon of dark chocolate chips on top. Then we'll cook it in a microwave for about 1 minute. The cook time can be anywhere between 1 and 1.5 minutes. This mug cake is super soft and fluffy and so yummy. The combination of peanut butter and chocolate is just perfect. Lastly, we'll make the healthy blueberry pie mug cake. First, we need half mashed banana and 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter or any other nut butter you like, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of gluten-free flour mix, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom, and 1 tablespoon of almond milk. Then we just stir until combined. Lastly, we'll fold in 2 tablespoons of blueberries. Then we'll just spoon the batter into a mug and add 1 more tablespoon of the blueberries on top. Then we'll cook it in a microwave between 1 and 1.5 minutes. I recommend checking the cake after 1 minute and then cooking longer if needed. This mug cake tastes just like blueberry pie. It's so fresh and delicious. Written recipes are in the description box. Enjoy!
Thank you so much for watching. If you have any recipe ideas that you would want me to create, you can write them down to the comment section below. See you in the next video. Bye!